Welcome all. I am Dr. Mahalakshmi. I am with Stella Maris College for the past 9 years. I'll be briefing about Knowledge Hub of Stella Maris, the library. SMC Library is an important intellectual resource of our college which helps the college fraternity to fulfill the curriculum needs and to promote research. Our college library is a physical space with room full of books, machine, printers, copiers and computers. The present library building, which was inaugurated in the year 1975, is a two-storied building. Ground floor has the undergraduate collection, mezzanine floor has the ready reference collection and the fiction collection, top floor has the postgraduate collection and the thesis section. Entry to the library is restricted to college community wearing ID cards. The timing of the library are Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., Saturday 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. We do have a collection of 1,10,000 books, 9978 journals which include both print and e-version, 3 servers and 60 computers. To aid visually challenged students, we have computers with JAWS and NVDA software. There are 9 library staff to help you in your search for information. The books have been classified using Dewey Decimal Classification. The library subscribes to databases like EBSCO, which is a journal database, Questia, which is world's largest online library, Enlist consortia given by UGC for the college libraries, which has access to 1 lakh e-books and 6,000 e-journals. Anyone who wants to access Enlist at home, kindly contact your class teacher. The automation of the library was done as early as 2003. eBliss is the library software used for in-house operations. We have the OPAC, which can be accessed throughout the college campus via intranet. All the operation and services of the library has been automated using RFID, which is radio frequency identification technology, which is one of the latest to be used in libraries for theft detection, which also helps in circulation process and inventory control. The SMC library has introduced self-service by use of self-kiosk machine, using which you can get the books issued by yourselves. A drop box has been kept outside the library, using which you can drop your books from 7:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. without having to come to the library. The security gates at the entrance trigger an alarm when a user walks off without getting the books issued. The institutional repository software used in college is DSpace, which has access to syllabi, academic papers, question papers, course schedule, synopsis of thesis and other research-related material with full text wherever possible. The departments of biotechnology, computer science, commerce, fine arts and social work have their own departmental library. The library conducts many information literacy programs like user orientation for the newcomers, promoting MOOCs, Meet the Author program, book exhibition, induction for library staff, EBSCO database training. We promote SWAYAM and NPTEL program, which are initiative of Ministry of Education, for which we have established local chapters with them. Students can opt for online courses hosted on these platforms. Eco-friendly conservation is followed in the library, for which lemongrass is used as a preservative, and it's an effective way of keeping the pest away which attacks the books. To put in a nutshell, the infrastructure facilities of the library include open access method for the books, availability of the OPAC, air-conditioned internet browsing enclosure, automation of the library operation, availability of the audio-visual facility, inclusive learning, establishment of the thesis section, availability of the research cubicle with internet access. Professional services include provision of internet access, provision of Wi-Fi, reprographic service, institutional membership with American Central Library, institutional repository namely DSpace, book transaction via RFID terminal and self-kiosk, access to electronic databases, barcoding for department books, article alert. Hence, I would like to conclude by highlighting some of the best practices of a library, which includes having a separate competitive examination book section, herbal pest control, earn while you learn scheme, display of daily news, new arrival, days of United Nations observance, networking of department libraries with the main library, membership for ex-students and retired staff. Happy learning. Thank you.